Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1009, known as VTC Advanced Malfunction, is a performance-related issue detected within the Variable Timing Control (VTC) system. The VTC system plays a critical role in optimizing engine performance and efficiency by adjusting the timing of the camshaft. This functionality is crucial for enhancing power output and reducing emissions. When this error code appears, it may affect multiple engine components, potentially including the VTC actuator and the oil control solenoid valve. The oil control solenoid valve specifically regulates oil flow to the VTC actuator based on electronic signals, influencing the camshaft timing. Thus, the VTC's precise operation is paramount for the overall engine function, making the diagnostics of this DTC vital for maintaining the vehicle's performance integrity. DTC P1009 indicates an issue with the Variable Timing Control (VTC) Advanced system, crucial for managing engine performance. The primary components affected are the VTC oil control solenoid valve and the VTC actuator. The oil control solenoid valve is responsible for allowing oil to flow to the actuator, which subsequently adjusts the timing of the camshaft. The location of the VTC actuator is typically found near the front of the engine, attached to the cylinder head, making it relatively accessible for diagnostics and repairs. The importance of each component lies in their interaction. If the solenoid fails, oil cannot reach the actuator, leading to timing issues. It's significant to understand that malfunction in this system can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. There are several possible causes for DTC P1009 that are essential for diagnostic consideration. A common cause is a faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve. Its malfunction prevents proper oil delivery to the actuator. Secondly, the VTC actuator itself may be defective, which could hinder the timing changes that maintain optimal engine performance. Another potential issue is clogged oil passages within the VTC system. Any blockage could restrict necessary oil flow, leading to incorrect camshaft timing. It's vital to thoroughly investigate these components, since proper communication and functionality are crucial for the VTC system. If any one of these elements fails, it can trigger the error code and lead to further engine complications. Timely identification of these causes can significantly reduce repair costs and restore vehicle functionality. When DTC P1009 is present, several symptoms may manifest, indicating underlying engine issues. One of the primary symptoms is rough engine performance, which may include inconsistent idling and occasional stalling. Additionally, drivers may experience reduced power and efficiency while accelerating. The engine may fail to respond promptly, impairing driving experience. Another telltale sign is the illumination of the engine warning light on the dashboard, prompting further investigation. These symptoms not only affect driving comfort, but can lead to potential long-term engine damage if not addressed promptly. Observing these signs calls for proactive diagnostics to ensure system integrity and prevent severe performance issues. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1009 is to verify the presence of the reported issue. Start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTCs. This action ensures that real-time diagnostics are performed, reflecting the current state of the vehicle systems. After clearing the DTCs, start the engine and again check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using HDS. It is crucial to determine if DTC P1009 is indicated. If it is not present, it may indicate an intermittent failure, meaning that the system could be functioning correctly at that moment. If freeze frame data is recorded, efforts should be made to replicate the failure under the same conditions, allowing for better insight into the DTC's root cause. In the second step of the troubleshooting process, focus on the VTC oil control solenoid valve. This valve is instrumental in controlling oil flow to the VTC actuator and ensuring timely camshaft adjustments. Begin by conducting a thorough operational check of the solenoid valve. Ensure that it responds to diagnostic commands correctly. If the solenoid valve tests as operational, you may proceed to the next diagnostic step. However, if it is deemed faulty, you must replace it promptly, as this component significantly affects VTC system functionality. Replacing this valve should restore proper oil flow, which might resolve the DTC P1009 if it was indeed the cause. Accurate testing will save time and possibly prevent further engine complications. The third and final troubleshooting step focuses on the VTC actuator itself. This component directly translates the signals from the VTC oil control solenoid into physical adjustments of the camshaft timing. Inspect the VTC actuator for any visible damage or signs of malfunction, such as leaks or excessive wear. If the actuator is confirmed to be functioning well, it is critical to check the associated system oil passages for blockages or contamination, which may impact its operational effectiveness. Should the actuator show any faults, it must be replaced to restore proper timing control for the engine. The function of the VTC actuator is central to the entire VTC system, and ensuring its integrity is key to resolving the DTC P1009 efficiently. After completing all necessary repairs associated with DTC P1009, it is vital to perform a final repair verification to ensure the issue has been satisfactorily addressed. Start by clearing any DTC codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and then go for a test drive. This step allows you to observe the vehicle's engine performance under normal driving conditions, enabling you to confirm that the repairs have resolved the problem completely. Upon completion of the test drive, recheck for any new DTCs to ensure that the previously reported issues have been successfully eliminated. Monitoring engine performance should show improvements, particularly in areas where symptoms were previously noted. Conclusively, this verification ensures the vehicle operates efficiently and effectively, safeguarding against future concerns. To prevent a recurrence of DTC P1009 and ensure the long-term health of the VTC system, implementing preventive maintenance is key. Regular oil changes are essential for the VTC system, as clean oil facilitates effective lubrication and operation of the solenoid valve and actuator, preventing wear and tear. Furthermore, routine inspections of VTC components help catch any potential issues before they escalate, maintaining functionality. Keeping an eye on engine performance, such as monitoring for any rough idling or sluggish acceleration during regular vehicle checks, can also provide early alerts to potential VTC problems. By adhering to these preventive practices, vehicle owners can promote optimal engine performance and extend the overall lifespan of the VTC system while averting costly repairs. In summary, understanding the significance of the variable timing control VTC system is crucial for diagnosing and addressing DTC P1009. The successful troubleshooting process involves systematic verification, examination of the oil control solenoid, and careful inspection of the VTC actuator. Effective management of any identified issues will lead to improved engine performance and efficiency. Additionally, engaging in preventive maintenance practices, such as regular oil changes and monitoring vehicle performance, helps safeguard against future complications within the VTC system. By following these outlined steps and recommendations, vehicle owners can maintain their Honda Fit in peak operating condition, ensuring both reliability and performance for their driving needs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!